Hey, when everybody walked out of class today, I know there was a little bit of anxiety about the distributive property, so I just wanted to make this real quick to help you to go over your homework or answer any questions. So I'm looking at these problems from the distributive property practice worksheet. I asked you to do 3 to 15 multiples of 3. All right, first one. We're going to distribute the negative 3 to both terms. Negative 3 times 5 plus negative 3 times 3x. Negative 3 times 5 is a negative 15 plus a negative 9x. That would be fine. Number 6, what's being distributed is the negative sign. So I'm going to write in an unwritten coefficient of 1. The negative 1 is what's being distributed there. Negative 1 times 3m plus negative 1 times 4. I'm going to get negative 3m plus a negative 4. You could always rewrite both of these as subtraction. Number 9 is the same idea. You're distributing the negative. Negative 1 times 5m plus negative 1 times negative 4. Negative 1 times 5m, negative 5m, plus negative 1 times negative 4 will give me a positive 4. 12, again, we're just distributing that negative. Negative 1 times negative 5, plus negative 1 times negative 3z. Negative 1 times negative 5, positive 5, plus negative 1 times negative 3z, positive 3z. Okay, our screen just shifted a little bit, but you should still be able to follow me. Number 15, you are distributing a negative 3. For number 15, you might want to rewrite this h minus 6 as h plus a negative 6. I know that some of you, that was helping you in class, so you might want to do that. We've got negative 3 times h plus negative 3 times negative 6, negative 3h plus a positive 18 for that page. Okay, I'm going to go on and look at the next page that I asked you to complete. And I might have to shift the screen a little bit. Okay, we're going to work on these problems from the Ray Flube page. I asked you to do numbers 8 through 11. Starting with number 8, I have 7k minus 2 times the quantity 3k plus 1 minus 9. Okay, I'm going to grab a different color pen, and we are going to go through and rewrite this using our same change, change, or keep, flip, change. For a lot of you, that was really helping today. I would read this 7k minus 2, so I'm going to change this to plus a negative 2. The next place I see subtraction is at the end of the expression. I'm going to write this as plus a negative 9. What needs to be distributed for this problem is the negative 2. I have 7k plus negative 2 times 3k plus negative 2 times 1 plus that negative 9. 7k plus negative 6k plus negative 2. And again, that 7k and that negative 9k are just along for the ride until you get to the point where you can combine like terms. At this point, we're going to look to identify our like terms. 7k and negative 6k are like terms, as are negative 2 and negative 9. So we want to simplify by combining our like terms. We're going to add our coefficients together. I would get a positive 1k, and negative 2 plus a negative 9 is going to give me negative 11 or minus 11. If I look at my options over here, you can see that this would match up with letter L. Okay, let's do the next problem. Number 9, we have negative 6 plus 5 times the quantity, 8 minus k, minus 8k. Again, I'm going to go through and I'm going to rewrite using same change change. I'm only going to use that where I have subtraction. So the first place I see subtraction is in here. So I'm going to write this as plus of negative k, and same thing at the end. The number being distributed here is that 5. Negative 6 is just along for the ride. 5 times 8 plus 5 times a negative k. I'm not too sure. Let me fix that real quick. I don't know what just happened right there. So 5 times that negative k plus a negative 8k. Negative 6 plus 40 plus a negative 5k plus a negative 8k. We're going to look for our like terms to combine. I have my negative 5k and my negative 8k are like terms, as are my negative 6 and my positive 40. So I'm going to add them together to get negative 13k and plus a positive 34. If you look up here, you can see that that matches up with option C. Number 10. Actually, hold on just a second. Okay, I wanted to adjust the screen there. Number 10, we have k plus 1 minus 4 times 2k minus 11. Oh, sorry, 9. Again, I'm going to go through and rewrite using same change change. I'm going to write this as plus a negative 4 and plus a negative 9. The number being distributed is the negative 4. K plus 1 plus negative 4 times 2k plus negative 4 times negative 9. K plus 1 plus negative 8k plus a positive 36. I'm going to identify my like terms. K and a negative 8k are like terms. 1 and 36 are like terms. K plus a negative 8k is going to give me a negative 7k. 1 plus 36 is 37. You can see our answer matches up with answer A. Finally, number 11. We've got negative 10k minus 3 plus 2 times the quantity 5 plus 6k. Same change right here, and that's it. My number being distributed is the 2, so I'm just going to rewrite the negative 10k plus a negative 3. The 2 is being distributed, so I'm going to do 2 times 5 plus 2 times 6k. Negative 10k plus a negative 3 plus 10 plus 12k. You should be looking to identify your like terms to see if they can be combined. Negative 10k, positive 12k, negative 3, positive 10. My answer should be a positive 2k plus a positive 7. Come up here, and that is answer L. Guys, I hope that helps, and you can always email me if you have any questions. See you tomorrow.